Class 10 children, today again I will discuss a new question from the chapter Similar Triangle. So let us begin. In the given figure, ABC and CEF are two triangles where BA is parallel to CE. So you can see ABC, this is one triangle, and CEF, this small triangle here, and in this triangle AB is parallel to CE. So you can see the symbol of parallel also here. So now AF is to AC is 5:8. So AF is 5 unit and AC, this everything is 8 unit. That means if this is 5 unit and if everything is 8 unit, then this lower part will be 3 unit. Why? Because everything minus upper part will be lower part. So 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. So this is 3. Now prove that triangle ADF, this upper part ADF, small triangle, is similar to triangle CEF. So these two triangle we have to prove similar. Next, find AD. We have to find the value of AD. If CE, the CE is 6 centimeter. So value of CE here I have drawn is 6 centimeter. Next, if DE is parallel to BC, oh, one new thing they have added, CE is parallel to BC. So here it was not given in the previous question, but now at number 3 they have given. So that's why in my solution I have shown that DE is parallel to BC. This symbol I have shown here. These two lines are parallel to each other. Now find the area of triangle ADF. ADF is to area of triangle ABC. So we have to find the ratio of the area of ADF and ABC. Let us begin. So this is our solution, same diagram here children. And now what we will do is that, like we have two lines parallel to each other, so we will give this type of symbol. Why? Because there are two lines, so they are similar, they are parallel, so this kind of symbol for here, and these two lines are parallel, so this type of symbol for these two lines. So now let us begin. AF is 5 unit, you know, AC is 8 unit, and CE is 6 centimeter. And the solution here I begin. So number 1 question to prove triangle ADF is similar to CEF. So this both triangles heading I write here, triangle ADF and triangle CEF, and let us try to now prove that they are similar. So to prove that they are similar, we have to prove that in these two triangles any two pair of angles are equal. If we prove that, then they are similar. Let us start. Like in this two triangle, BA is parallel to CE. We all know it is given in the question. Now if they two are parallel, then one angle is being said here that they are alternate angle, and the angle is angle DAF equal to angle ECF. DAF, that means angle A, and ECF, that means angle C. That means this angle A is alternate to angle C. Now you might be saying, sir, how? Now let me just explain. You all have learned in class 8 and 7 that if two lines are parallel and one transverse comes like this, then let me tell you children, this particular angle, this angle is alternate of this. These two are alternate to each other and they are equal. Same thing you can see here. Just if I turn this copy and you see these two lines are parallel and think that this is a transverse, then we can say this angle is alternate to this. Just like this, this angle is alternate to this. Same way this angle is alternate to this. So in this way one angle now we have proved that they are alternate. And second, vertically opposite, very easy to understand. This particular angle is vertically opposite to this, like just like this. This is vertically opposite to this, this is vertically opposite to this, this is vertically opposite to this. So this is vertically opposite, you understood. Lines is parallel and this is transverse, vertically opposite. So two angles are now equal. That means these two triangles are similar to each other. Proved. Number 1 is proved. Next, find AD and CE is given. Now to find any side we have to use proportionality theorem. So from the name itself we can write the formula. AD by CE, first one, DF by EF, second one, AF by CF, third one. Now put the respective values. Now AD is not given, CE you know 6 centimeter, put it here, DF, EF not given, AF is 5 because AF is 5 unit, and CF, this lower part, as I have told earlier also, everything is 8, upper part is 5. So 8 minus 5. So now you can see this is not given, anything is not given here. So we will take these two pair. So we will take these two pair in the next page. Now you can see AD by 6, 5 by 8 minus 3, 8 minus 5 has become 3. Now 3 into AD and 6 into 5. AD equal to 6 into 5 by 3. 3 to the 6, 5 to the 10. So second answer also has come. Now AD is 10 centimeter. Next, third question, that we have to prove that these two triangles also, we have to prove that, we have to find the area of ratio of triangle ADF and triangle ADF and triangle ABC. Now before finding the areas formula, now first we have to prove that these two triangles are similar to each other. So you can see here ADF is here, ABC is here. These two lines are parallel. We all know these two lines are parallel. Now this will be corresponding and this will be common angle. We all have done this type of question. So common angle and corresponding angle. So very easily we can prove that these two triangles, triangle ADF and triangle ABC, are similar. And then we will use the formula of area. So same thing, as DF is parallel to BC given, and one will be corresponding angle and one will be common angle. That is, angle A is common and angle D and angle B is corresponding. So by angle-angle axiom, we could prove that these two triangles are similar to each other. Now you might be asking a question that, sir, it was not asked to prove, but why are you proving? Then let me remind you children, before using area theorem or proportionality theorem, first we should prove that the triangles are similar. Then only we have the right to use this proportionality or area theorem. As in this question number 3, the question is only asked regarding area. So this time no need to use proportionality theorem. So we are using area theorem. So area theorem, you can see I have used AF square by AC square. Now you might be saying, sir, why you did not use the other values? Then let me tell you, as we have the value of AF also, AC also. Maybe we have one more pair value given, but AF and AC was very easy. As AF is 5, AC is 8. Let me show you 5 and 8. AF is 5 unit, AC is 8 units. So that's why very easy. So 5 square by 8 square, 25 by 64, 25 is to 64. So children, one more very easy question I have given you as homework. Please do this question as homework. Here in this word, you can see 90 degree is given and vertically opposite also you can see. So you prove similar and then whatever question has been asked here and find the value of that. Thank you children.